Someone said life's for taken. Here I am with my hand down, waiting for the right. I've been living on my great expectation. What good is it when I'm sure that he and the world just passes by? Where are the signs to help me get out of this place? If I should stumble on my moment in time, will I know